Hey everybody, it's Pam, and today we're going to finish up this door hanger that I've started. Now I've gotten everything painted and we're just going to get everything glued down. This will be available in my Etsy shop sometime this week, probably within the next couple of days. I just need to get a picture of it and get it listed. But now the 18-inch round, which is what this is made on, I don't sell the 18-inch rounds, but I do sell the pieces for you to be able to make this. So Sweet Home, and then the part that I'm putting down now will all be available in my Etsy shop. And so you can get your 18-inch rounds, you can get them at Michael's, or there's places online on Etsy. And then there's another place called Whippoorwill Charms, and then Lulu Bean Designs. So there's several on here. If you need links to any of these places, just let me know. But everybody that I've listed or talked about, they all have good 18-inch rounds. But I also can do 10.5 and I can do 15. But mine would be 1/8 of an inch. Now these are 1/4 inch rounds, but mine would be 1/8 of an inch. So it'd be skinnier or thinner, and it is more lightweight than the 18-inch rounds. But either one will work, and I can cut any size, 10.5 to 15 or whatever size that you need, up until about up until 18 inches. And then I can't go any bigger than that. But this is a watermelon sign, and it says Home Sweet Home. And so you'll get the home, the sweet home, and then of course the little black seeds, and you'll be able to make your own door hanger. You'll see here, I have a bow, and then I put the greenery on there. The greenery that I'm going to be using came from Hobby Lobby. Yes, it came from Hobby Lobby. And I always buy it when it's on sale. So just wait till it goes on sale. And you can make it with the greenery or without. Whatever you decide you want to do is totally fine. But adding the greenery does add just that extra special little touch to it. And I'm using 2 pieces on each side so it looks fuller. And so that's pretty much it. So stay tuned. This will be available, like I said, in my Etsy shop in the next couple of days. This past weekend was my birthday. It was my husband's birthday, and we had family over today, Memorial Day. And then tomorrow we got to go clean out a storage unit. So just bear with me, and I will get this listed in the next couple of days if you're interested in it. And I'll have different sizes for you to be able to pick from. So in the meantime, if y'all have any questions, if you need those links again to the various different places I'd suggested for the 18-inch rounds, just let me know, comment in below, and I'll take care of that for you. But I can cut a 10.5 and a 15-inch. It's just going to be 1/8 of an inch piece of wood. So keep that in mind when you're doing that. And if y'all have any questions, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned, and I will let everybody know when this gets listed. So I hope y'all had a great day, and I will see y'all in the next video.